thank you so much for the invitation to your homeland. Let's take a look.
Now you and me walking at Nauruz Park, in the city center between 4 and 5 micro-districts, appeared in Aksai 10 years ago. Before that, there was in ordinary forest belt, in one part of which there was a cave, and in the other a market.
Well, I would never have thought that there was once a market here. So many beautiful trees and flowers. I admire.
You're right, Anel. It's very picturesque here, but now we're heading to the cinema. The cinema located in the shopping center Rarsuat. It means victory from the Kazakh language. The Armani multi-use and a small cinema in the shopping center. We can watch a movie.
I would love to watch a movie, but I really want to walk around outside. Let's go to the museum.
I'm all for it. The Museum of Local Lore was built in 2000. The most interesting is the old chain mail and the weapons. Their age is estimated at 200 centuries. These items are the heirloom of the president's family.
How wonderful outside is. I can't wait to see the exhibit of the museum. Yes, so let's hurry up. I want to see everything before the evening. But what a pity that in the evening I have to go back home to October. The next time I visit, we'll go to the cinema and watch the premiere of some movie.